Welcome back to Bike Review Pro. Today we are turning our attention to one of the most buzzed about machines in the adventure world this year, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. For years, there has been a massive gap in the market between the light, high-strung dual sport bikes and the heavy tech-laden flagship adventure tourers. Honda has officially stepped in to bridge that divide. The CRF 750L isn't just a new model, it's an evolution of the rally-inspired philosophy, promising to combine the legendary reliability of the CRF lineage with the long-range touring capability that Honda is famous for. In this deep dive, we'll explore every corner of this machine to see if it truly is the ultimate midweight adventure solution. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L engine is a masterclass in middleweight engineering, specifically designed to bridge the gap between aggressive dirt performance and long-distance touring comfort. At its core, the 755cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine utilizes a 270-degree crank configuration, which is the secret behind its unique character. Unlike traditional 180-degree twins that can feel buzzy and C-wing machine-like, the 270-degree firing order gives the CRF 750L a rhythmic thumping exhaust note and, more importantly, a direct, visceral feel at the rear wheel. This design mimics the delivery characteristics of a V-twin, providing excellent low-end traction for technical trail work, while retaining the high-revving efficiency of a modern parallel twin. In terms of power, the engine is tuned to be exceptionally linear. Rather than a peaky delivery that could cause traction loss in slippery conditions, the power builds predictably across the rev range. With approximately 85 to 90 horsepower on tap, it provides effortless highway cruising and punchy overtaking capabilities. By focusing on a Goldilocks output, enough to be thrilling, but never overwhelming, Honda has created an engine that minimizes rider fatigue. Whether you are tractor crawling through deep mud or holding a steady pace on the open road, the throttle response remains crisp and intuitive, making the CRF 750L feel like an extension of the rider's own intent. The chassis and off-road capability of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L represent a significant departure from soft adventure bikes, prioritizing a rugged, purpose-built architecture. At its heart is a lightweight, high-tensile steel frame engineered for mass centralization. By positioning the bike's weight closer to the center of gravity, the Honda has achieved a balance of agility and stability. The frame provides just enough controlled flex to absorb the punishing impacts of rocky trails, yet maintains the rigidity necessary to remain rock-solid during high-speed highway cornering. The suspension is the standout feature, utilizing premium, fully adjustable Showa components. With substantial travel, these units are purpose-tuned for riders who genuinely venture off pavement, effortlessly soaking up everything from punishing desert whoops to hidden ruts that would unsettle lesser machines. This is bolstered by a classic 21-inch front wheel, the gold standard for off-road obstacle clearance. The geometry strikes a brilliant compromise. It is flickable, enough for tight technical trail sections, yet offers a long enough wheelbase to remain planted and secure during long-distance touring. Ultimately, the CRF 750L feels like a true rally-inspired machine, offering the confidence-inspiring capability of a dedicated dirt bike without sacrificing the comfort and poise required for a 500-mile cross-country haul. The ergonomics of the 2026 Honda CRF 750L are engineered to create a seamless transition between aggressive off-road performance and sustained touring comfort. The riding position is upright and commanding, placing the rider in a neutral posture that minimizes spinal pressure and delays the onset of fatigue, a critical factor for long-haul adventures. A key design triumph is the fuel tank, which is sculpted to be exceptionally slim between the rider's knees. This allows for an intuitive, locked-in feel when standing on the pegs for technical riding, providing the leverage necessary for precise bike control without the bulk that often plagues larger adventure machines. The weather protection balances these off-road capabilities with legitimate highway touring prowess. The fairing is intentionally slim to keep the bike agile, yet it is aerodynamically honed to manage airflow effectively, shielding the rider from wind blast and eliminating helmet-shaking turbulence. This is complemented by a supportive, well-padded seat that offers enough room for the rider to shift positions throughout the day, preventing the discomfort of a static posture. Consequently, the CRF 750L manages a unique duality. It feels as nimble as a dedicated trail bike when the terrain demands it, but transforms into a poised, big-bore tourer when you settle into a cross-country interstate cruise. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L strikes a perfect balance between modern digital capability and rider-focused simplicity. Central to the cockpit is a vibrant 6.5-inch TFT display, designed for high-contrast visibility even in harsh, direct sunlight. Rather than overwhelming the rider with data, the interface provides intuitive access to essential metrics and a comprehensive suite of ride modes: Tour, Urban, Gravel, and a fully customizable user mode. These settings intelligently calibrate traction control and engine mapping to suit the surface in real time, acting as a sophisticated safety net that enhances confidence rather than diluting the raw experience of the ride. The brilliance of this system lies in its transparency. Honda has deliberately avoided the tech-heavy trap of deep, cumbersome submenus that force a rider to pull over to make adjustments. Instead, the entire system is operated via ergonomic, tactile switches located on the left handlebar. This allows for instantaneous, on-the-fly modifications to the bike's behavior without requiring the rider to look away from the terrain ahead. While the bike includes modern luxuries, like seamless smartphone integration for navigation and media, the interface remains minimalist and distraction-free, ensuring the technology serves the adventure, not the other way around. So, who is the 2026 Honda CRF 750L for? It is for the rider who wants a true, do-it-all machine. It's for the daily commuter who finds themselves daydreaming about remote mountain passes. And for the seasoned traveler who wants a bike that is easy to manage, but impossible to outgrow. By blending Honda's bulletproof reliability with genuine off-road performance and highway touring comfort, the CRF 750L has set a new standard for the middleweight adventure class. It proves that you don't need a massive 1000cc plus engine to conquer the world. You just need the right balance of engineering, weight, and soul. Thanks for joining us on Bike Review Pro for this deep dive. Whether you're planning your first cross-country trip or just looking for the ultimate daily ride and trail slayer, the CRF 750L is a contender you simply cannot ignore. Let us know in the comments if you had the keys to a new CRF 750L. What's the first trail you'd head to? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next ride. Do you think the 750cc class is the new perfect displacement for adventure motorcycles? Let me know your thoughts.